Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find your zip code on Cash App card. First, open the Cash App on your phone and wait for it to load. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Next, look for and select Personal. Inside this section, you'll see your personal details such as your name, phone number, and email. Now, scroll a little until you find your address. Right there, you'll be able to see your Cash App zip code. This is the zip code linked to your Cash App account and your Cash card. And that's all you need to do. It's super simple and you can check it anytime inside your personal settings. And that's how to find your zip code on Cash App card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.